Welcome to Smart Money, your home for all things related to making money the smart way. Today we are going to list 20 of the best websites and apps you can use to make money online. It's never been easier to make money online than it is now. Hundreds of reputable online money-making sites and apps rely on people like us who use the internet to supplement our income. There are a number of online money-making services that will not only provide you with the tools and knowledge to get more bang for your buck, but will also leave you feeling fulfilled and anxiety-free. We highly recommend these money-making websites, since they are dependable, legal, simple, and time-worthy of your online efforts. Also, due to their functionality and payment methods, these websites have been tried and tested by thousands of users who promise that these websites are an attractive source of income. The best part is that all of the legitimate online money-making sites listed here are completely free to join and do not require any financial investment. As a result, you can begin earning money online for free. Okay, let's jump into the list.
Number 1. FatLlama. FatLlama is a one-of-a-kind platform that allows you to rent your belongings to those who need it for whatever price you like. By simply lending your unwanted items for a short period of time, you can earn anywhere from $50 to $10,000 each month. This is one of the few no-investment online money-making businesses that thinks that a culture of borrowing over buying must be established. The platform allows you to have the items you need while also allowing you to rent them out when they're just sitting about in your home. It encourages you to engage with your community and discourages you from purchasing needless mass production and carbon-intensive distribution systems. It's something that practically everyone can achieve with pretty much whatever they have at home. Number 2. Amazon. As you may be aware, Amazon is a massive e-commerce site. As a result, the likelihood of the goods being sold is high. You can register for a free Amazon Associates account by going to Amazon Affiliate Program. They will ask you for a website link, but if you don't have one, you can link your Facebook profile or YouTube channel instead. After you've created your account, you'll need to promote the product's affiliate link. When someone buys something through your link, you get a fixed commission. Number 3. Pinterest. If you determine that this reputable online earning site is for you, Pinterest is a hidden gem that can help you make a lot of money online. Pinterest presently has 478 million monthly active users, which gives you a sense of its potential. That is to say, there is a huge market where you can make money. To begin making money on Pinterest, you can use a variety of strategies. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is my personal favorite. Pinterest allows you to create affiliate link pins. That is a URL that leads to a website that is not yours but belongs to someone else's merchandise. You earn a commission if someone purchases through your affiliate link. You earn money by marketing others' products without having to keep inventory or provide customer support. Number 4. Redbubble. You've probably never heard of Redbubble. It is, nonetheless, one of the most popular and trusted online money-making sites. You know what I'm talking about if you've heard of it. Redbubble is a print-on-demand marketplace aimed mostly at creative individuals. So, having that artistic desire in your body would be ideal so that you can fully utilize this platform. Number 5. MePick. Artists, photographers, hobbyists, and art lovers can use MePick to print, buy, and sell photographs as custom-made art and design items. These include a wide range of high-resolution photos and prints that may be used as photo prints, canvas art, t-shirts, wallpapers, and even pillows. MePick is one of the coolest websites to make money since it allows you to express your inner artist in the most creative way possible. You can sell your photos on MePick and earn up to 20% commission. In fact, you can print your own photographs for pleasure and a little self-indulgence, which is an excellent way to boost your spirits while also making extra money. MePick is a fantastic service that takes you on a roller coaster of earning money quickly and simply, while also allowing you to take your art and creative leverage to new heights beyond the norm. Number 6. ClickBank. ClickBank is an online retailer that uses digital marketing to promote 6 million products to 200 million customers across the world. Affiliates can promote vendor products from ClickBank's marketplace by producing a hop link and earn up to 75% in commissions through its affiliate program. The platform has a reliable tracking system, and commissions are paid on time. For the vendor, affiliate, and client, this is a win-win situation. So, if you're looking for a reputable affiliate website to generate money with, this one actually outperforms the rest. Number 7. SliceThePea. SliceThePea is a trustworthy review platform where you can earn money by listening to music and providing an unbiased review. Slice the Pea has given out about $6.5 million to its members to date. You will prosper on this platform if you appreciate music and writing. The more reviews you do, the more money you earn. You won't be able to make a living reviewing music, but you will be able to supplement your income in your spare time. Furthermore, you can rest easy knowing that you are dealing with a reputable money-making website. Number 8. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a fantastic online survey platform. You'll get a $10 welcome bonus when you sign up for free. You can earn points by doing things like doing surveys, online shopping, watching videos, playing games, and finding offers. You can then exchange your points for gift cards to your favorite stores, such as Amazon and Walmart, or cash back through PayPal. Swagbucks won't deliver you financial freedom on its own, but it's a great tool to supplement your income. Number 9. Validately. Validately is one of the top websites for making money online. You'll simply have to perform a few tasks, express your thoughts and opinions, and answer a few questions about your experiences on a website or app. On a daily basis, the task is available. Because not everyone or every tester will meet the criteria for all of the tasks, you will be notified via email about the tests that are available to you. Number 10. ClickWorker. ClickWorker.com is a trusted online money-making site that allows users to earn money by performing microtasks. They have an active membership pool of over 2 million ClickWorkers that rely on this website to supplement their income. It is simple to register, and practically all nationalities, with a few exclusions, are eligible. You can withdraw your money as soon as you have earned $10. On ClickWorker, earning $10 is not difficult at all. You have found tasks that pay as much as $17 each task to complete. Number 11. ShareASale. ShareASale is also a trustworthy and well-paid affiliate marketing platform that benefits both merchants and affiliates by offering generous commissions. This website provides ordinary individuals with a unique opportunity to earn money in the most efficient and effective way imaginable. A comprehensive number of readers can be reached through a huge amount of affiliates and their product reviews, which automatically improve sales. Commissions are earned either through leads or sales after a sale is made. These commissions often start at 10% or more, but they are negotiated between the two parties. When you go to websites to make money as an affiliate, the commissions can be excruciatingly low, which can lead to minimal conversions. On ShareASale, however, every review is worth a sale. Number 12. Zirtual. As a virtual assistant, you can work from anywhere and handle tasks that clients don't have time to handle, such as scheduling meetings, paying bills, and booking trips. Finding such websites to make money sometimes provides lower incentives for work though. With Zirtual, you can earn between $12 and $15 per hour in the beginning and hundreds of dollars per month from this online earning website. You can earn over $5,000 every month if you continue to improve your abilities and expertise. Number 13. Coinfeed. If you wish to join the new Bitcoin wave, Coinfeed is one of most trusted online money-making sites without investment. It can help you earn free Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies by simply clicking ads. There are countless PTC sites, which pay you to click on websites that pay you in Bitcoins. We recommend Coinfeed because we have used it and have confidence in it. Sites that pay you for simple things such as clicking ads are real. They make money by selling advertising to businesses who want to gather feedback on a product or reach a larger audience. Of course, the amount of money you make is proportionate to the value you provide to the marketplace. As a result, you won't make much money on Coinfeed. However, by spending some time on this platform, you can get your next pair of shoes for free. Number 14. Upwork. Upwork is simply a networking platform that allows businesses and freelancers from all around the world to connect and collaborate on specific projects. Businesses engage freelancers for a range of tasks, including writing, web design, SEO campaign management, and pretty much any other task that can be completed on a computer. Upwork charges a commission ranging from 5% to 20%, however the more money you earn, the lower the commission. Number 15. Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is for you if you enjoy the great outdoors and being active. Using your phone's accelerometers and GPS position, this app tracks and validates every outdoor step you take. Every step will win you money called Sweatcoins. What could be better than earning money while getting in shape? Number 16. Munchai. People who aren't used to internet marketing have a hard time outranking competitors' websites. To tackle this problem, one should always turn to Munchai, a well-known internet marketing website. Munchai is known as the headquarters since it lists internet marketing products that are scheduled to be introduced or have previously been released. Affiliates have the option of seeing things before they are released and promoting them early if they like. Similarly, affiliates can profit from early bird sales and free product access, which can boost productivity and lead to increased sales and commissions. Affiliates that use their energy to generate money through various affiliate programs and websites should absolutely join Munchai for additional rewards. Number 17. Healthy Wage. Are you trying to shed some pounds? Healthy Wage can hold you accountable for a weight loss goal while also rewarding you financially. You can set up a weight loss challenge for yourself and your friends, family, co-workers, or any group of people. Everyone who signs up for the challenge pays an admission fee, and those who lose 6% of their body weight split the money, minus the 25% administration fee. It's a wise gamble, whether you're motivated by the fear of losing money or the promise of making money. Number 18. Talyana. Talyana is a free service that gives online surveys to all of its subscribers, similar to paid survey sites. To authenticate your registration, simply complete the traditional online registration by providing your contact information and a valid email address. You will be a member of the Talyana community in a matter of seconds. The best thing about this site is that you get a bonus as soon as you sign up. You can use your mobile device to complete surveys at any time of day, no matter where you are. You can do a survey and deposit a few euros into your account while eating your lunch sandwich, riding the metro, or enjoying a coffee before going home. Number 19. Etsy. Do you have a creative or inspired touch for design? You can start your own little business by selling your designs on Etsy if you can develop something unique. If you're unfamiliar with Etsy, it's an online marketplace dedicated to selling unique objects and products that are created as well as craft supplies. There are now 1.7 million active merchants and over 28 million active customers on the site, so there's a possible audience if you can produce something that people will want. You may easily obtain enough money to bring your share to the top of your bank balance every day if you create the perfect product. Number 20. Threadup. This e-commerce website appeals to thrifty folks looking to make money and sell their clutter for cash, with the tagline secondhand clothes, firsthand pleasure. Women's and children's clothing are available at the online secondhand store. All you need to do is send your clothes in a Threadup bag with a prepaid postage label, and Threadup determines how much they are worth. They're looking for quality garments and well-known brands, and keep in mind that if your products aren't accepted, you'll be charged a fee. So, if you have clothes that would be better suited for a yard sale, post one. Threadup, on the other hand, allows you to sell high-quality clothing that you no longer want and may even pay you enough to acquire new threads. It's a simple procedure. If you want, Threadup will send you a prepaid bag to place your things in, or a postage label. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next video.